Question number 2, gibberellins. Gibberellins can promote seed germination. Gibberellin is responsible for mobilization of stored food. Stabilization of stored food with the help of amylases, and that can be broken down to release energy. A large amount of energy required during the process of seed germination. So this is the best one of the answer. So this we can take. Stimulate enzyme mediated digestion. No. Seed coat is not basically digested. Seed coat, when absorbs water, it swells up so that seed coat becomes softened, so that radical can emerge out. There is no role of gibberellin there. Gibberellins inactivate phytochrome, an inhibitor of seed germination. Gibberellin is not at all concerned with inhibition of phytochrome. Phytochrome is a pigment located in the leaves. It is perceiving the light. That is for germination point of view. Nothing to do with gibberellin. Gibberellin storage reserves to embryo via scutellum. No. Our answer is both.